Although IREN is transitioning from Bitcoin mining to AI cloud services, it can't escape near-term volatility in both the stock and crypto markets. Yet, management remains confident in long-term opportunity. To understand why, we'll look at some reasons shortly. But first, for the quarter ended December 31, 2025, IREN reported revenue of $184.7 million, well below consensus expectations of $229.7 million and down from $240.3 million in the prior quarter. The miss reflected deliberate capacity reallocation away from Bitcoin mining toward AI workloads. Bitcoin mining revenue fell to $167.4 million from $233 million, while AI cloud revenue more than doubled sequentially to $17.3 million, highlighting early momentum but still a small share of total sales. Profitability also deteriorated. There was a net loss of $155.4 million, compared with a $384.6 million profit in the previous quarter, and adjusted EBITDA declined to $75.3 million from $91.7 million. Results were weighed down by sizable non-cash items, including $219.2 million in unrealized losses tied to convertible note hedges and $31.8 million in mining hardware impairments as legacy equipment is replaced with GPUs. Despite the near-term setback, management stressed strengthening fundamentals and execution. IREN secured $3.6 billion in GPU financing for its Microsoft contract at an interest rate below 6%, complemented by $1.9 billion in customer prepayments. Together, these cover roughly 95% of GPU-related capex for its targeted 140,000 GPU build-out. Moreover, the quarter ended with approximately $2.8 to $3.3 billion in cash, with more than $9.2 billion in funding raised during the fiscal year. Diving into the Microsoft deal, IREN announced a 5-year, $9.7 billion AI cloud services contract with Microsoft in November, whereby IREN will provide Microsoft with access to NVIDIA GB300 GPUs, with Microsoft making a 20% prepayment. To support the deployment, IREN has separately agreed with Dell Technologies to purchase GPUs and related equipment for approximately $5.8 billion. The GPUs will be installed in phases through 2026 at IREN's 750-megawatt Childress, Texas campus, alongside newly built liquid-cooled data centers supporting 200 megawatts of critical IT load across 4 phases. IREN plans to fund the capital expenditures using a mix of existing cash, customer prepayments, operating cash flow, and additional financing. Microsoft noted IREN's secured power capacity and end-to-end infrastructure expertise as key differentiators. The contract significantly expands IREN's GPU deployment footprint across its 3-gigawatt secured power portfolio in North America. On top of the Microsoft deal, IREN signed additional multi-year AI cloud contracts for deployments of NVIDIA Blackwell GPUs in October, strengthening its position in AI compute infrastructure. Even back then, customer agreements covered 11,000 of its 23,000 GPUs, representing approximately $225 million in annualized AI cloud revenue. IREN remains on track to exceed $500 million in annualized run rate revenue from the full 23,000 GPUs operating or on order by Q1 2026. New Blackwell GPUs are being contracted ahead of delivery on average 2-year terms, with pricing that supports roughly a 2-year revenue payback. In addition, IREN's British Columbia campuses and the Horizon 1 and 2 data centers under construction in Childress provide capacity for over 100,000 GPUs, supported by a 2,910 MW secured power and land portfolio. In the grand scheme of things, IREN continues to scale aggressively. A newly announced 1.6 gigawatt data center campus in Oklahoma lifts secured grid-connected power to over 4.5 gigawatts, supporting long-dated growth. Management reiterated its target of $3.4 billion in annual recurring revenue by the end of 2026, positioning the current revenue dip as a transitional phase and not so much a demand issue. Now, if you like learning about interesting stocks like IREN, please check out some recent uploads. The algorithm won't always introduce you to new and interesting uploads. Also, please like and share this video with your fellow AI and crypto cronies on places like Reddit, X, Telegram, StockTwits, and your own group chats. Sharing and liking the video also helps informative videos like this come out faster to people like you who will enjoy them. And as always, for more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.